In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. You might have hidden apps on your iPhone because you didn't use them often or wanted a clean home screen. To find a hidden app in the app library and bring it back to your home screen, just follow these steps. First, go to the app library. Simply keep swiping from right to left on the home screen until you see the app library. Now, tap the search bar in the app library, and list of apps will be displayed in an alphabetical order. Next, scroll to find the app you want to unhide. Tap and hold the name of the app that you want to unhide. Now, slide your finger to the left without releasing the app to move it to your home screen, where it and all the rest of the apps on the screen will be jiggling. Continue to slide the app until it is on the home screen where you want it. Next, tap Done at the top. And just like that, the app will be added to one of your app screens. So, that's how you can unhide apps on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.